11:30. You do have to make, this is a free meet and greet with the princesses, but you do have to make a reservation in advance. If you get here 15 minutes prior to the start of this, they do allow you to jump in line, which I did not know. But it's really cool. They have Tiana, they have Cinderella, they have Moana, and they have Ariel. We escaped the crowd and brought our food down to club level so we could sit at a table and eat like humans.
Family, thank you for cruising with us in the Concierge here on the Disney Dream. This lithograph is one of the special lithographs that was designed by Donnie Ducky Williams, who has been doing art for Disney for a long time, more than 30 years. So it's a special gift for you to take home. Thank you from the Concierge team. We never say goodbye. We always say see you real soon. Thank you, family, for cruising with us. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
We're here for a special Say Cheese little, you know, it's a special character experience for concierge guests. So we got down here at about 4:15. Then the character that they don't know is going to come down at 4:30. So I am just sitting patiently waiting. They gave us milkshakes. Yes, thank you so much. Wait, are they different flavors or they're all the same?
This is plain, this is chocolate.
Oh, well, of course, chocolate. Thank you. That is so cute.
Don't mind this.
I'm so glad it was you. We dressed for the occasion in hopes it would be you. So excited. Thank you so much. All right, we met Mickey and now we've been ushered again down to the theater so that we can see the, I don't even know what we're watching tonight, but we get to come down with our sodas our popcorn. We get premium seating, so we sat in the same spot we did last time. So honestly, I'm kind of falling in love with Concierge. I really am. It's so cute. Hello. 47.
47.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Isn't it pretty? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. This is fantastic. Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
I love it.
Oh, it's so cute. He said, surprise.
He got out of the car and he's pushing the cart to Walmart.
Yes, please. Thank you. Fancy, fancy. Thank you so much. I ate before the camera ate. I got the chicken and I got a piece of the flat steak, and actually the flat steak was pretty good. The chicken was pretty good. I think everyone kind of likes what they've gotten. I think my mom likes what she's gotten. I'm not 100% sure. Chocolate.
That we asked for.
It's what we can get right now.
To bring honor to us all is Mulan. Our favorite puppy in the Disney ring is beautiful. And you know, he is driving us crazy, but we love it. It's Goofy. And here comes Double Trouble, Chippendale. Disney Dream is our #1 duck, Donald Duck. And she's a diva, she's a marvelous duck, it's Daisy Duck. And last but not least here, my captains and your captains, Captain Minnie and Mickey Mouse. Of course, our friends are here for a final farewell, but they have agreed to stay about 15 minutes or so with all of you down there so you can take some last memories.